Welcome to this video tutorial on HOTSEAT, the Interview Simulator, part of the Game to Learn and Smart Games project. This game was designed by Grenoble INP and KIK. HOTSEAT is a great game to learn how to prepare for those difficult interview questions. The best configuration for this game is 5 players, with a minimum level of B1 going up to C2. The game is available in 4 languages: English, French, Spanish and Italian. We recommend also 45 minutes play, and it is a replayable scenario.